and then as you walk into trade this morning, it is crude once again. Why crude once again? Crude prices which shot up last week. They spiked on Monday, but they've collapsed in last 48 hours. 25% down for crude. I think in history of crude, and we'll see if we can get that data, this really could be, if not the biggest, one of the biggest 24-hour decline, whatever may be the reason. Bottom line is crude prices are down. That is what it matters. So today if India is importing crude, they'll be importing at 69.5. And crude prices have actually gone back to levels which are almost at the pre-war levels. And you go another $1 from here, maybe $2 from here, you will go back to pre-war levels. And historically, that is how financial markets move. When the reset happens, it is always either above or way below what the previous levels were. That's the financial markets, or in this matter, commodity markets have moved in the past. So are we going to get lucky after 31 days of really, nothing sort of a move on the Nifty? Are we in for a good breakout deal? And if we sustain here, will the bears be forced to run with tail between their legs for short covering? It's a good start. It's a smooth start. More than good, I think it's smooth. It's a breath. Give this market some time before we get the real deal. But as of now, it appears that we are in for a smooth start. Not too many stocks which are in news. So I don't have that line which we often use. Watch out for. There's nothing big to watch out for today in terms of an individual stocks. Yeah, little bit of here and there. For me, I think optically the game would be centered around the Nifty levels. If you see some elevation in the first 1 hour of trade, then that means the market will force short sellers to cover. You come gliding down below 52,200, then market would say, one more day of disappointment. Large caps are not participating. No sharp move in Reliance, no sharp move in HDFC Bank, no sharp move in any of the auto names, no sharp move in any of the other heavyweights like HDFC. So I'm afraid the strength is not really overpowering. And for the moment, if we stay where we are, the bears will not be running with false scare.
Right, that's about the markets, but let's also highlight some of the newsmakers in trade right now. It's Titan that is seen to be shining bright after Macquarie did come out with a note on this one, maintaining an outperform rating with a target price of 4,150 rupees. That stock is inching higher with almost 2% of the gain as we speak. Aurobindo Pharma is another stock after one of their subsidiaries received approval for their biosimilar for the UK from UK regulator. Indeed, a positive news flow coming in here as well, and the stock is holding on to the gains of over 1% as we speak. Along with that, let's also watch out for how Indico is doing in trade, because just yesterday the stock had a good day. 3 to 4% jump is what we have already seen. The stock did gain market share, or rather the company did gain market share in the month of May on a month-on-month basis as well. 0.5% gain coming in on stock of Indico as well. Other than that, UltraTech Cement, NTPC and even Reliance, these stocks are holding on to the gain right now. But on the flip side, it's select banking counters. Case in point being ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank. They are putting a bit of a pressure. Add to that list is Axis Bank, and BEL is continuing to see a bit of a profit booking as we speak right now. Within the oil and gas space, it's OMCs that are doing well. Other than that, the city gas distribution companies from the likes of MGL, IGL, they are bucking up the trend. But interesting to watch is Reliance, because that indeed is seen to be supporting the markets, and the move in the Nifty, almost 1% gain coming in on Big Boy Reliance. And as of now, Nifty 50 is also holding strong above that 25,150 mark with a gain of 107 odd points. The breadth of the market looks quite cheerful, and even India Wix is supportive towards the bull with 2% of decline as we speak right now.
Lots of other stocks to watch out for in today's trading session. You have India Mart Intermesh, very positive brokerage note coming in on this stock by Nuvama, an upgrade coming in from reduced to buy, and 5.5% uptick is what we're seeing on India Mart as we speak. You have some other stocks. While Srishti spoke about Aurobindo, let's also throw the light on Glenmark Pharma. The company has launched the lung cancer treatment drug called Tevimbra in India. Positive for Glenmark Pharma. That stock is not doing all that much, a 0.3% uptick coming in. Vodafone Idea once again could be in focus today on the back of the clarification that the company has issued that they've not received any communication from the government regarding relief on their 84,000 crore dues. So that stock trading with a cut of about 0.5% as we speak. Let's see what Hindalco is doing on the back of The acquisition news flow, acquisition of Aluchem Companies Inc. Hindalco up almost 0.6%. You have a UBS note coming in on MCX, wherein they've hiked the target price significantly. So let's see what MCX is also up to at market open right now. Almost a 2.73% gain coming in on MCX as we speak. Positive news flow coming in for RITES as well. They've received a letter of intent worth 28.5 crore rupees, a big order win coming in. So RITES also up about 1.5% as we speak. And on the back of order wins, KEC International to a 1,236 crore rupee order coming in. So big move coming in on that front as well. So that is what the market breadth is looking like right now. We seem to have opened quite positively, and select stocks are also doing well in today's trade.